Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping fine and safe. Yes, so let's start our video today. As you know, I'm giving you out information of various job informations that are out. So I will not, I will keep up to your expectations in this video also. I'll not dishearten you definitely. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a job notification that is out, that is for UPSC ESE recruitment for the year 2022. The notification is out for 247 vacancies and you can apply online at upsc.gov.in by 12th of October, and you can check the dates and everything here. The UPSC, that is the Union Public Service Commission, is hiring 247 Group A and Group B posts through Engineering Service Exam 2022, that is ESE 2022. You can check the educational qualification, age limit, selection process, important dates, exam pattern, everything here in this video. The UPSC ESE notification 2022. The Union Public Service Commission, that is the UPSC, has started the online application process for recruitment to the post of Group A and Group B post on official website, that is upsc.gov.in. Candidates interested for this post are required to register for Engineering Service Examination for 2022, that is the ESE 2022, on or before 12th of October 2021 on the UPSC website, that is the upsconline.nic.in. Those candidates who will apply for UPSC ESE recruitment 2021 will be called for UPSC ESE prelims examination, which will be conducted on 20th of February 2022. A total of 247 vacancies are available under each civil engineering college, medical engineering, electrical engineering, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. Next, I will give you the job summary for this job. The notification is released by UPSC ESE recruitment for 2022. Notification is out for 247 vacancies. You can apply online at upsc.gov.in by 12th October. The last date of submission is 12th of October 2021. The city will be New Delhi, state Delhi, and country is definitely India. The organization is UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. Educational qualification, you have to be a graduate, and the functional area is engineering. The candidates can have a look on the qualification, age limit, selection process, exam pattern, and other details here in this video, along with the UPSC ESE important dates. The UPSC ESE notification dates are 22nd of September 2021. The starting date of online registration was 22nd of September 2021, and the last date for online registration is 20th of October, that is 20 October 2021. UPSC ESE prelims examination date is 20 October 2021. UPSC ESE prelims date is expected to be in, results is expected to be in March or April of 2022. And the next dates are to be released yet. The civil engineering for Group A service or post of Central Engineering Service, Central Engineering Services Roads. Group A, civil engineering post, Survey of India Group A service, AEE Civil in Border Road Engineering Service, AEE, that is QS and C, in NES, a surveyor cadre, Indian Defence Service of Engineers, Central Water Engineering, that is the Group A service, Mechanical Engineering Group A or B, that is Group A or B services or post, AEE in GSI Engineering Service in Grade A, Indian Defence Service of Engineers, Indian Naval Armament Service, Mechanical Engineering Post, Indian Naval Material Management Service, that is the Mechanical Engineering Post. Also, Central Water Engineering, that is the Group A service. Not only this, Indian Skill Development Service, Defense Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, that is the SSO2, that is for mechanical. Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Service, that is mechanical engineering, and also Central Power Engineering Service, that is the Group A or the Grade A mechanical engineering post. AEE, that is electrical and mechanical in border roads engineering service, mechanical engineering post. Electrical engineering, that is Group A or Group B services or post. Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Service, Indian Defence Service of Engineers. Next, Central Powers Engineering Service, that is Group A or Grade A. Defense Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, that is the, as I told you, SSO2 Electrical. Indian Navy Armament Service, Indian Navy Material Management Service, that is the Electrical Engineering post. Also, Indian Skill Development Service, Electronics and Communication Services, that is the Electronics and Communication Engineering, that is for Group A or Group B services or post. Indian Radio Regulatory Service, that is the Group A or Grade A. Indian Telecommunications Service, Grade A. Indian Naval Armament Service, that is in Electronics and Telecom Engineering post. Indian Naval Material Management Service, that is in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering post. Next, coming to Defense Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, that is the SSO2, Electronics and Telecommunication, Junior Telecom Officer Grade B. Central Power Engineering Grade A, that is in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering post. Now, I will talk about the UPSC-ESE 2022 eligibility criteria. Firstly, coming to the educational qualification. You have to be a BE or BTech from a recognized university incorporated by an act of the central or state legislature in India or other educational institutions established by an act of parliament or declared to be deemed as universities under Section 3 of the University Grants Commission Act, that is the UGC Act of 1956. Or the candidate or you should have cleared Section A and B of the institution examinations of the Institution of Engineering in India, or you should have a degree or diploma in engineering from such foreign university or college or institution and under such conditions as may be recognized by the Government of India for the purpose from time to time. Or you should be qualified as a graduate or in graduate membership examination of the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, that is based on India. Or you can also be qualified in Associate Membership Examination Part 2 and 3 or Sections A and B of the Aeronautical Society of India. Or you should have passed graduate membership examination of the Institute of Electronics and Radio Engineers, London, held after November of 1959. Next, coming to the age limit. UPSC ESE age limit, you should be between 21 to 30 years. Talking of the nationality, candidates must be a citizen of India or subjects of Bhutan or Nepal or Tibetan refugee who came to India before the 1st of January 1962 or person of India origin who migrated from Pakistan or Burma or Sri Lanka or East African countries of Kenya or Uganda, Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire and Ethiopia or Vietnam with the intention of permanently settling in India. Next, I'll talk about the selection process. The selection process for UPSC ESE 2022. There will be 3 rounds for the selection of the candidates. Firstly, preliminary examination of 500 marks. Next, that is the stage 2, mains examination of 600 marks. And the third round, that is the interview of 200 marks. Final qualified candidates will be called for medical examination. Next, coming to UPSC ESE prelims examination pattern of 2022, there will be objective type questions divided into 2 papers. Paper 1 will consist of general studies and engineering aptitude, and paper 2 will have civil or mechanical or electrical or electronics and telecommunication engineering. Next, paper 1 will be of 200 marks and paper 2 will be of 300 marks. Candidates will have 2 hours to complete the paper 1 and 3 hours for completing the paper 2. There will be negative marking of 1/3 of the marks for the wrong answer. UPSC ESE mains exam pattern of 2021, let me discuss this. The mains examination will also consist of 2 papers. However, the questions are conventional types. Both papers will have questions on civil or mechanical or electrical or electronics and telecommunication engineering of 300 marks. Each 2 to 3 hours will be given to complete the test. Conventional papers must be answered in English only. Question paper will be set only in the language of English. UPSC ESE personality test, talking about this or the interview, those who will qualify in the preliminary examination and the mains examination will be called for stage 3, that is the personality test. Marks obtained by the candidates in the stage 1, that is the preliminary or the stage 1 examination, stage 2, that is the mains or stage 2 examination, and stage 3, that is the personal test or the personality test or PI, would determine their final ranking. Next, talking about the UPSC ESE admit card of 2021. UPSC ESE prelims admit card is expected in the third week of January of 2022 on UPSC online website. UPSC ESE result of 2021, a merit list containing the roll number of selected candidates for each stage shall be uploaded on the official website. Next, coming to how to apply for UPSC ESE recruitment of 2022. Candidates can apply online for UPSC ESE 2022 on official website, that is upsconline.nic.in. Application fee for general or OBC is 200. Female, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, PWD, or physically handicapped will have to pay no fees. That is, no fees is applicable for them. So I have given you enough information about this job. So if you think you are an eligible candidate, without wasting time, you should opt for this examination. God knows, maybe you will be getting this this job and you will have a perfect career ahead. So all the best for your career that you are wishing for. I hope you will find video benefit out of watching this video. Thank you for patiently hearing me out, and stay happy, stay safe. With this, I'll conclude my video. Thank you.